and I'm his cousin Avi.
Today, we're riding a magical Christmas train.
We're going on a journey to save Christmas cheer.
It's gonna be great. We're gonna have so much fun. Will you come with us? Come on, Avi. Let's get dressed so we don't miss the train.
The journey begins.
All aboard! Christmasland needs helpers today!
We can help. Let's go.
Doot, doot.
First stop, Candy Cane Forest.
Welcome, Jusai and Avi. I'm so glad you're finally here. We have a bit of a mystery on our hands.
Oh my! The candy canes lost their stripes!
Can you help fix the patterns? What comes first, red or white?
Red!
Okay, let's see what we can do.
Thank you so much, boys. The candy canes have been restored. You've earned the first Christmas cheer orb.
Woo!
Well, friends, our work is done here. Let's continue on our adventure.
Second stop, Gingerbread Village.
Hi, Jusai and Avi. Welcome to Gingerbread Village. Oh no! Our cookie bridge broke into shapes. Don't worry. We'll help you fix the bridge right away. Friends, will you help us too? Can you guess this shape?
A square. Let's put it right here.
Thank you so much, friends. Good luck on the rest of your journey.
Next stop, Gift Wrapping Mountain.
Hi there! Welcome to Gift Wrapping Mountain! We're glad you're here, and we're way behind schedule. We need help sorting the gifts. We're so glad that you're here to help.
That's right. We'll get the job done.
Where does the shiny gift go?
In the shiny chute.
Wow, look at them go!
We're almost done. All sorted.
You guys are amazing! Christmas is saved!
No problem. You're welcome. Now let's go see where to next.
Final stop is the Christmas Tree Palace.
It's the biggest one yet. But it's barely lit up now. I wonder why.
Ho-ho-ho! Welcome, children. I am so glad you could make it.
Look, it's Santa Claus.
Hmm.
What's wrong with this tree? Why isn't it shining?
Well, you see, boys, that was the reason for your adventure today. To fix this, you must surround this tree with the cheer orbs you collected on your journey.
Okay, got it. Let's do it. Let's save Christmas cheer.
Ho, ho, ho! Thank you, my little helpers. You saved Christmas cheer.
Wow, thank you, Santa. We're glad we could help.
You're welcome, boys. Now let's get you home for Christmas.
Merry Christmas, friends! Thanks for helping us. Look at the lights. We're so high up.
It's incredible. I can't believe we're flying. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe.
And don't forget to hit the like button. Bye!